Hey guys, this is ITS service. Today we have the iPhone 8 that came to the shop without backlight after screen replacement. So I'm gonna explain to you guys how to fix it. My alpha meter on diode mode, this one, red on ground, the black on my point. For iPhone 8, this is the connectors. 1, 2, we go to this one. First pin, second pin, third pin. 6 point something volt, something like that. So the second one here is OL, it's reading nothing, so it's gonna be my backlight. We go to the ZXW like this. Show you how to guys fix something like that. I'm gonna zoom to where, to my connector. Where is it? And you guys tell me where is it? Okay, there is it. Okay, so my second pen here is taking me to this one. This is gonna be the backlight filter. Yes, I'm coming, give me 1 second. See guys, first one on the back. And when I go back to my phone underneath the microscope, you guys can see it, how it's burned. First one on the right is this one. So I'm gonna replace it, and that's it. This is how we can tell how we fix problems on phones, by following all the steps. Okay, thanks for watching. Okay guys, this is the moment of the truth. This is my phone. You see guys, this one I changed it, I replaced it by iPhone 7 backlight filter. I took it from iPhone 7, and I think I put the old one here to try to show you, but while I am working I knock it off. But anyway, it's not a big deal. What I did, I took the frame a little bit, bent it. Now I put the sticker back. Guys, make sure when you take these things, when you walk, make sure don't take another stuff because they stick together, so be careful, okay? And this is my first time doing iPhone 8 backlight. To be honest with you, I wanna thank the guy from Micro Soldering. I don't know his name, because he have another video about that too, but I'm gonna post this for you guys to see it. And then we go back to here. I'm gonna put it back, and give me 1 second. I wanna put my phone here for a second. I wanna put the phone back. Okay. Okay, need to put the screen back. I put the screen back. Okay, now. Okay, guys. Put everything back. Just make sure it's gonna work. Nice. Now we have backlight again for iPhone 8. The problem is fixed by doing this. Checking the second line here, the second trace on my digitizer connector, and then replacing the backlight filter from here. iPhone 8. Where is it? What the heck? iPhone 8. iPhone 8. Do I have another one? I have iPhone 8 here, one. Oh, I hate my XW, sometimes so slow. Backlight filter here. Zoom. Where is it? This is this one here. This one is this. Okay. On the back, this one. You guys see it? This one. I replaced it from iPhone 7 backlight. It was burnt, and then the phone back to work again, and I don't want to show you the picture. It's the phone working again. Okay, thanks for watching, and I wish you guys the best.